Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My dear students, in this video I would like to explain the words meaning of Suratul Qadr and singular plural of Suratul Qadr. Inshallah, I will explain only those words which are given in the exercise of your Arabic textbook. So let us start. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. At-Tamarin. Tamarin, the word is plural. Its singular is Tamreen. At-Tamreen, plural is At-Tamarin, exercises. Ma'al Mufradat, words meaning. Ma'ana, meaning. Mufradat, single words. First word is in the book Anzalnahu. Anzalnahu, its meaning is Anzalna al-Quran. In Arabic, Anzalna al-Quran. Anzalna, we have revealed. Who it? It means the Holy Quran. So in English, it is given, we have revealed it, the Holy Quran. In Arabic, Anzalna al-Quran. In Urdu, we can say, हमने उसको नाजिल किया. उसको यानी कुरान शरीफ को, हमने कुरान शरीफ को नाजिल किया. Now second word, Laylatul Qadr. Laylatul Qadr. Layla, night, Qadr, power. Laylatul Qadr, the night of power or glory. Okay. In Arabic, we can say Laylatul Mubarakah min shahri Ramadan hiya khayrun min alfi shahr. The sacred night or the blessed night of Ramadan, the month of Ramadan, Ramadan Sharif, and it is better than 1,000 months. The night of power or glory, the blessed night of Ramadan, which is better than 1,000 months. So Laylatul Qadr, Shab-e Qadr, Qadr की रात, रमज़ान शरीफ की वो रात, वो मुबारक रात जो 1000 महीनों से अफजल है. Al-Qadr, Qadr means अशरफ व रिफ़ा. Qadr व मंजिलत, रिफ़ात, शान, क़ीमत, ये सब उसका तर्जुमा है. इंग्लिश में पावर, ग्लोरी और वैल्यू. Qadr, Laylatul Qadr. When we say Laylatul Qadr, the night of power or night of glory. Okay. Ar-Ruh, Ruh, soul, a spirit. माँ भी हयात, जिससे जिंदगी हो. माँ भी हयात, जिससे जिंदगी हो. तो अपने अंदर रूह है, हम जिंदा है. रूह अगर न हो तो हम मुर्दे हैं. रूह अगर हो तो जिंदा. सो जिससे जिंदगी हो उसको रूह कहते हैं. लेकिन यहाँ पर अल मुराद हुना जिब्रील अलैहिस्सलाम, यहाँ पर इस सूरे में तनज़्ज़लुल मलाइकतु वर्रूहु फ़ीहा बिइज़्नि रब्बिही, वहाँ पर रूह से मुराद जिब्रील अलैहिस्सलाम है. यानी फरिश्तों के साथ जिब्रील अलैहिस्सलाम आते हैं ज़मीन पर और अल्लाह ताला के जो भी अहकामात है, जो भी काम है, उनको अंजाम देते हैं. सो अर्रूह मा बिही हयात, अल मुराद हुना जिब्रील अलैहिस्सलाम. The spirit, here it refers to Ruhul Amin, Jibreel alayhi salam. So ये 4 कलिमात हैं यहाँ पर. These 4 words are here in the book, in your textbook. So I gave the meaning. Anzalnahu means Anzalna al-Quran. हमने कुरान शरीफ को नाजिल किया, हमने उसको नाजिल किया, यानी कुरान शरीफ को we have revealed it, the Holy Quran. Laylatul Qadr, Qadr वाली रात, शब Qadr, the night of power. Al-Qadr, Ash-Sharf wa Rifa, Azmat, बुलंदी, रिफ़ात, पावर, ग्लोरी, वैल्यू. और रूह एक माया, और यहाँ पर रूह से मुराद जिब्रील अलैहिस्सलाम. The spirit, here it refers to Ruhul Amin, as Jibreel अलैहिस्सलाम. Now, Al-Mufrad wal-Jam, singular and plural. You will be asked to convert singular words into plural. So singular words will be given to you. You will have to convert them into plural. Meaning is not necessary to write there. I gave the meaning only to make you understand the words meaning. Laylatun, plural, layali. Layali. Laylatun, night. Layaliyu, nights. Okay. Shahrun, shuhurun or ashhurun. Shahrun, month. Shuhur or ashhur, months. Okay. Shuhur, sheen, ha, waura. Ashhur, alif, Sheen ha ra. Shahr sheen ha ra. Before that, if you put a alif, it will become plural. And shuhur, if you want to write shuhur, then sheen, after sheen and ha, you will have to add waw there. Then write the ra. Then it will become plural. I think ashhur is easier to learn because shahr anyway will be there in the question paper. So if you put just an alif there, then it will become plural. Ashhur, months. Okay. The third one is malak, angel. Malaikatu, angels. So these three words are there in the singular plural section in the exercise of Suratul Qadr. Laylatun, layaliyu, shahrun, shuhur or ashhur, malak, malaikatu. So you'll have to learn all these words. Words meaning you can give in English also or in Urdu. If you are able to learn in Arabic, it's okay. Otherwise, at least learn the meaning of these words either in English or in Urdu. So Anzalnahu, we have revealed it. Laylatul Qadr, the night of power. Al-Qadr, power, glory or value. Ar-Ruh, the spirit. Here it refers to Ruhul Amin Hazrat Jibreel alayhi salam. And regarding singular and plural, only three words are given in the exercise of the book. Laylatun, layaliyu, shahrun, shuhur or ashhur, malakun, malaikatu. Okay, I hope you must have understood it, all these words. Inshallah, we'll see you in the next video. With the next video, we'll see you. Ma'assalam. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.